Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 3 potential altcoins to buy right now in the month of March. So we're seeing the markets fluctuate back and forth. We're down about 4.35% right now due to some things going on obviously in the world that are causing markets to fluctuate very, very quickly. We're seeing things spiral on the downtrend right now. So right now, Bitcoin is down about almost 5%. Ethereum almost down 6%. Currently, the volume in Bitcoin is at around 27.1 billion and 14.2 billion on Ethereum. Bitcoin is trading at around the 41,000 area. Meanwhile, Ethereum at around 2,700 area. So we've been seeing these two coins trading at this range for the past month or two. We keep going back and forth, but these prices are no strangers to us. So guys, the rest of the market right now down about 3% on some of these altcoins like Ripple, 7% here on Solana, and then 5% on some of the other ones. So we're having a range between 4 and 10% on the downtrend, but we do have some outliers here. Cosmos is up about 3.5% right now into green actually. And if we actually take a look at the rest of the second page here, we have some more green here. Some coins are, making some waves. As you guys can see, waves is actually up about 16% or so. So things are all over the place, but there's always opportunities. You just have to go out there and find them. That's what we always talk about, guys. So before we get into this content, go ahead and take a quick second and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. Now let's get into it. So crypto bubbles, what has been happening in the past week? Let's take a quick look. So some of the big winners, as you guys can see, Waves is up over 115%, trading at $20 right now. Another big winner is going to be Santos FC fan right there. So some of these soccer clubs and different things like that. We have here Trust Wallet token up 63%. We have UMA up over 107%. Thorchain up over 59.3%. We have Tornado Cash up 68%, and some other big winners here as well. But we also have two big losers here, Alpine and BIFI. So things are all over the place. We're seeing some green, some red, but a lot more green in the past week compared to the red, obviously. So it's looking okay, but we are seeing some downward trend going into the weekend right now. So guys, let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Waves. So obviously this one is a momentum play right here. Not a coin that I'm saying, it has potential for the future, but a coin that is right now hot and could have some potential for a day trader type of situation to get in and out very quickly. Currently, this one is up about 13.7%, trading at that $20.38 area. In the past week, this coin is up over 114%, which essentially means if you would have invested at the beginning of the week pretty much on this one, $1,000 right now, you would have made over 100% profit, 114% to be exact, which means you would have over $1,000 already in profit on this coin. In the past month, this one is up 129%. So most of these gains have happened here at the end of February, beginning of March. But even if you would have bought earlier, you would have made some decent gains. And then on the 1 year chart, it's up over 115% as it was trading at around this $10 range last year at the same time. We hit peaks here in May at around $35, pulled back down with the market to about 10 again, and then hit another high here of $32 in the 30s. We try to continue on higher in October, and then we saw this downtrend from $32 all the way to lows of about, at one point here, almost $5 at one point. We were trading at around $7 or so, and now we're seeing a little bit of a jump here breaking through, which is nice to see once again. If we can break through and continue to push past this $24, $25 range, we could come back into the 30s as well. So right now, market cap, 2.2 billion. We see volume is up 38% at 1.3 billion. So Waves is a cryptocurrency that describes itself as a decentralized blockchain platform focusing on custom blockchains, tokens, operations. So this is a very interesting one to see how it's going to perform at a 2.2 billion market cap. It was at a 1 billion market cap just a week ago. Can this continue to rise? Let me know in the comments below what your opinion is. Do you think that Waves will continue to create those waves for us and keep on pushing on higher and higher? I want to share your opinions, and I will be replying to the comments below. So that's our first altcoin. Second altcoin on this list is going to be AVAX, Avalanche. So Avalanche currently down about 5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $77 with highs of $83, $84 at one point during the day. In the past week, we're up 2%. Past month, we're actually up 10%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're obviously up over 199% as this one continues to soar higher and higher. We were trading at around $24. Continue to go lower down to $10, and then we hit a high here in November around Thanksgiving at $134 or so. So making some great gains for anybody that got in at the low. And obviously we pull back down to another low here at around $60. From that $60 range, we went all the way up to close to $100, which is a nice, gain right there of about 40% or so. And now we're seeing a little bit of a downtrend, but as you can see, the lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher. So if we can continue this momentum type situation, we could push on higher. Currently market cap 20.6 billion. We see volume is flat at around 1.7 billion. And then typical hold time is going to be around 28 days. Would it rank currently at number 7? Obviously, Avalanche and Solana always up there in the top, competing against each other. Which platform will be better? We have 75% buy activity, 25% sell activity currently. Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay for transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So very interesting. Can you stake AVAX, you might ask? Well, guys, rewards can be earned by staking directly on the Avalanche network. So for those of you guys that are into staking, yes, you can stake AVAX, which is definitely a positive sign as well for long-term holders that want to hold their coin either way. You might as well, start staking it, but obviously do your own research before doing that, because you're going to get some passive income pretty much just for holding your coins in the long term. So Avalanche, definitely a coin that I believe will continue to have a great future in the upcoming years. I would not be surprised to see this one close to 100 billion market cap in the next 5, 10, 15 years or so, which will give this one a lot of more, about a 500% upside potential to get to those levels. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be FTX. So FTT right here, FTX token has been on a roar. A lot of positive things have been happening around this one in recent times. So as we can see, currently, it is down about 4% in the past 24 hours, trading at $43.60. Past week, we're up 4.5%. Past month, we're flat. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up about 47% from that $30 range all the way to highs of $60, pulling back down throughout the year in 2021 at $22, and then hitting a new high here in September that we saw around $80 range. From that $80 range, we lost about 50% of those gains here, and now we're trading here since pretty much December in this range between, let's just say, $30 and $40 back and forth, and we're waiting to break out of that cycle. So as we can see, currently the market cap on this coin is going to be around 6 billion. We see volume is around 124.5 million, which is down about 40%. But we're seeing a lot of people advertising this. I'm seeing a lot of other YouTubers that are being sponsored by FTX token, I guess, because a lot of places are talking about them and talking about them a lot. So this one right now seems to be a lot of hype around it and a lot of momentum going around it, which is good. Obviously, publicity is always great. So either way you get it, even the Super Bowl or whatever you're getting it, it's good publicity. So FTX token, definitely a coin we're going to be watching, as the market cap is around 6 billion, has plenty of potential, easily could 10x in the future, which gives us a lot of opportunities to get this coin up over $400 per coin at around a 60 billion market cap plus. So definitely an interesting one to add to your radar. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Dogecoin. I feel like Dogecoin has been trading around this, 13 cents range for a while now, for months and months, it feels like. As we see, everything is, kind of tumbling down about 5% or so in the past 24 hours. We see Bitcoin, like we said, down about 5% or so in the past day. In the past week, we're actually up 7% with those highs at one point at 45,000. We thought we were going to keep on soaring to 50, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback down. I would not be surprised to see this one come back down to about 39,000 and hopefully bounce off of that support level and come back up. As long as we bounce off of that support around 39 to 40,000, we'll be okay if we come back up. But if we break under it and continue to push lower, we could go back down to that 37,000 level that we've been, hitting a lot. It's like a roadblock right there. And then on the 1-year chart, we're down about 14.5%. Market cap 784.8 billion. 35% of the crypto market space right now. Volume is trading flat, literally. 73% buy, 27% sell activity, and 104-day typical hold time on Bitcoin. So people are starting to hold that one longer and longer. Then we have Ethereum down about 6% here, trading at that 2,700 range. Past week, we're up 4%. Past month, we're down about 1%. And then on 1-year chart, we are up about 88% or so. So very nice movement here on Ethereum in this range. Once again, same pattern as Bitcoin, back and forth, trying to battle through it. 327.4 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. We see volume is down about 10% on this one. Typical hold time is going to be 77 days. We have 66% buy activity and 34% sell activity on Ethereum. So both Ethereum and Bitcoin are right now bouncing in this range. that we've been seeing since the beginning of the year pretty much, and we're waiting for a breakout either on the upside or the downside. Whichever way it goes, something's going to have to budge here in the future. And obviously I think that there's going to be a lot of big catalysts happening towards the middle of March. So the next 2 weeks are going to be very crucial for the crypto space and the stock market in general to see how things are going to perform. And then obviously we have the conflict going on in Europe, which is a whole nother situation that is causing things to fluctuate. Volatility is insane right now, so the markets are insane. It is not going to be a easy, smooth sailing right now. Those waves are going hard. So you guys be careful out there. Make sure you do your own research before investing, because I am not a financial advisor. None of this is going to be financial advice. So speak to your financial advisor before investing. As always, guys, let me know your thoughts and comments in the comments below. Let's share our thoughts and tell me what you think is going to happen in the near future. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.